Welcome to today's tutorial. I'll guide you through how to export contacts from Clio Manage. Whether you need to back up your information or share it with colleagues, exporting your contacts is a quick and easy process. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to log into your Clio Manage account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Contacts. Click on it, and you'll be taken to your main contacts page, where all your stored contact information is displayed. Now that you're on your contacts page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. On this page, you'll notice an export option. It's typically located at the lower part of the screen, and that's what you'll need to click next. This export function is your gateway to saving your contacts elsewhere. Once you click on Export, a new window will appear, asking you to select your desired format for the export. Clio Manage offers two formats, Excel and CSV. If you're planning to work with the data in Excel or want it to be easily readable, choose the Excel option. On the other hand, if you need a more universal format that works well with a variety of applications, go with CSV. Make your selection based on how you plan to use the exported data. After deciding on the format, you'll need to choose which columns you want to export. Clio Manage gives you two choices here, all columns or visible columns. Selecting all columns will export every bit of information stored in your contact list. This option is handy if you want a complete backup or need all the details for comprehensive reports. Alternatively, if you're only interested in the information currently displayed on your screen, select Visible Columns. This can be useful for quick exports or when you need only specific data. Once you've made your selections for both the format and the columns, it's time to download the file. Simply click the Download button, and the file will save directly to your computer. Keep in mind where your downloads typically save, whether it's a specific folder or your desktop, so you can easily locate your file once it's downloaded. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Clio Manage. This process allows you to have your crucial contacts data at your fingertips, ready to be used wherever and whenever you need it. Remember, regular exports can also serve as a backup, ensuring you have a copy of your data outside of Clio Manage. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on how to export contacts from Clio Manage. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult Clio Manage's support resources. Have a great day and happy exporting.